Hey guys, let's see how to connect this Roku stick to a Happrun H1 projector. You see here that the Roku comes with the remote control. You just need to use it, and it's necessary to use also the remote control for the Happrun projector because you need to control the volume from here, okay? So it's super simple. Here you have the Roku stick. You just need to connect this to the HDMI port, just right here in the projector. Super simple, okay? And you're good to go. Let me just connect mine here. There we go. I already have this one connected to power, and there we go. You see that's working, okay? Then you just use the remote control, and you can watch everything you want here in the Roku stick, all right? And remember that you just need to control the volume from here. Unfortunately, there's no way to sync this to control the volume. So super simple. That's the way you can connect to your Roku TV to this Happrun H1 projector. I hope this helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.